everyone, welcome back to another video. So I thought I'd just give you a little tour of my nail room come beauty room. So yeah, I do some brow waxing and lash lift and that sort of thing. So yeah, welcome. This is my room. Oh god, that's me. Oh, hello, bye bye, quick. Yeah, so there's my chair and my trolley, which I got from Ikea. I think it was about 30 quid. Oh, and meet my dogs. Don't forget to meet my dogs. I'll show you them in a minute. I'll come and be nosy. So these are my Ikea Alex drawers. So in this one I've got all my files, e-file drips, bits. This is Bella Boo. This one had all my glitters in before, and I'll show you a picture of what it looked like. You'll be horrified. So Sunday, this is a Sunday video, and I just literally cleaned up, had a good old tidy up. This is where I keep all my BIABs and my gel paints, my stamping polishes, and that was Woody. In this drawer I've got my pop sticks, my crystals, aren't they stunning? My stamper plates, my diary, and my foils and decals in there. Hello Woody. Oh, there's my flexi finger. Just bits and bobs in here that I keep. So I've got some more room in those drawers now, yay! My acetone pump and my isopropyl alcohol, just all sorts of bits and bobs. So this is all nice and clean. I keep my bits in a kidney tray. They're ready to go for my next client. I just cover them up so they don't get dusty. So yeah, that's how I like to keep mine. There's my wipes. There's my gloves ready. Yes, that's my Ikea lamp and my phone. There's my Melody Susie, my nail file, love her. This was my jewel lamp from the light, what do they call it, the light something or other. Yeah, love that, great for filming. Yay. Yeah, all my bits and bobs just on here. There's my window, not that you can see, that's the view of my garden. All dental bits, they come in real handy, just chuck them. And oh, there's my spray. That's what you hear in the background of my videos going off, spraying me in the face, choking me. This is my Alex cupboard where I keep all my bits and pieces, my wipes. So every client of mine has a little little folder like this, and they have all their own files and buffers and all that kind of shebang. There's my mini tin, and I keep like my nail tips and things in there. So oh, there's somewhere to hang your coat as well. So the price list, here's my glitter swatches and my foil swatches. Those are my BIABs. Yeah. And here's my Peace Lily, which I've had for about 27 years. Oh, dun, dun, dun. Don't forget the sweeties. Ha, ha. And list of my cuticle oils, because I make my own. So my clients will have one, and I charge for a refill for them. So it works out a little bit cheaper. So, oh, look at my glitter. I'm so happy. My glitter drawer. This is what it was like before. How horrifying is that? I couldn't find anything. So yeah, I've even got a bit of more space for my my Charlie's glitters, which yeah, I have to order some more soon. So yeah, there's all bits and bobs in the back there, just things that I don't really use that much, but they're there if I want them. So yeah, so there's mainly my Charlie's in there. So here in this bit there's just bits of stationery and stuff that I do for my full-on nail tips. There's all my essential oils and things. Just in the last one is just some paperwork. Nothing exciting there. So this is where my client will sit. I've got the calendar. There's my business cards, super cheap. And there's my clients can also purchase a nail file if they want one. This chair was from Ikea. Don't you just love Ikea? There's all my swatches, my gel bottle sanitizer. Yeah, they're all colour coded. So here's the sink. There's some sugar scrub here. This is lavender and frankincense, absolutely amazing. So if my clients want to have a little pamper after I've done their hands, they can. Yeah, here's all my bits and bobs, my cleaning stuff, my scratch magazines. This is actually a air conditioning unit, which I only need in the summer because this room is self-facing. It gets awfully hot. So here are all my gels. I've put them at the side, so I've got some room for some more. In that bottom shelf I used to keep my BIABs, but I don't. I keep them in the drawer now. So extra room to buy some more. Oh, that's dangerous. So yeah, this is my room. What do you think? It's cute. I love it. It's my little happy place. Yeah, it's my happy place. So there it is. Oh, it's 12 o'clock on a Sunday afternoon. I don't know when this is going to be uploaded, mine, so. And there's my Lola. Oh, she's my pudding. Oh, that's her little bed there. She loves it. Anyway, at the end of this, so I bought some Naio Nails cat eye gels. They had a 50% sale off, and I thought I'd treat myself. Gel bottle link don't do cat eye, which is a bit disappointing, but with 50% off from Naio, just had to be done. So I'm just going to go through and just do a quick swatch video as well for you. This one I completely went out of shock. Don't know what I was doing. Getting overexcited. Oh, there I am. So I've just done one coat and I'm just like testing it. I've not used cat eyes before. So yeah, just thought, yeah, get some while they were 50% off. Just go through these. They only need a 30-second cure, which is nice because gel bottles are 60 seconds. This is a stunning colour. I really liked this one. Nice pinky colour. So this is just one coat, and I do go over it with the magnet on one coat, just to see. I'm just playing around really. These are just purely for my swatch sticks, so I'm not going to go crazy and try and do all fancy stuff when I've not really used them. So I'm just going to do the usual line, and that will just be for yeah, just for my clients to have a look at really on my swatches. That's the first of the blue. So they do all have two coats, and it's quite nice actually, because even though you do a second coat, you can still see that line slightly underneath. So yeah, I quite liked that. This is my favourite one, and I've said it before, blue is my favourite colour. So yeah, oh, that's nice. Oh yeah, that is nice. I do really like that. Stunning. I did also buy their Serious Black, because these can go over black, but for the sake of me swatching them, I just thought I'd go straight in with the colour rather than over black, but I bet they're lovely over black. I'm thinking now maybe I need to do two lots. We'll see. So this is a second coat of this one. I can't remember the names, but I do show you at the end. Up next is this purple. This is stunning as well. I really liked this one too. is a really nice purple. God, I don't know, I faff about, don't I? I just thought I'd try the other end, and yeah, I need to I need to practice some more. But hey, the good thing is, like, if you don't like it, you just go over it, just like that. Start again. And I faff some more. Oh my God, Kaz, look at, I just, oh. I don't know why I do it. Oh, see, that's just so nice, isn't it? Really pretty, I do like it. This one I wasn't quite too sure of. It's very green in the bottle, but this is blue green. It does go better on the second coat, but I don't know, I weren't too sure about this one. I mean, it's nice with the, you know, it comes out with the line and it's green, but it's blue green. I kind of wanted green, if that makes sense. I think it does go a bit more green on the second coat, but it's still more blue green. This is the second coat of the purple. You can still slightly see that line from the first coat underneath, so it just gives a lovely effect, doesn't it? So here's the second coat of this one. It is more greenier, I guess, on the second coat, but not massively. So there's that blue tinge underneath. Yeah, the effect is definitely better on the second coat, but yeah, I'm still not quite sure about that one. So I'm just going to go in and top coat these. I did also buy the top coat. This top coat, I didn't like it, and I really thought I put in my basket another one as well, and removed this one, but I must have removed the wrong one and ended up with this one. And I think this one's probably better more over acrylic and hard gel. It just wasn't smooth. I can't explain it. It just didn't look. It's lovely when it goes on, but when it's dry, it just didn't. I can't explain it. It just didn't look smooth. It wasn't bumpy, but it looked bumpy. I'm not making any sense. I'll see if you can see it at the end and tell me what you think. It's probably, I've obviously just picked up the wrong one. Like I said, I thought I'd deleted that one and then added another one, and then I obviously removed the wrong one and got this one, but never mind, it'll get used. But yeah, it's just I don't know, don't like it. But it is a nice consistency. I do like the consistency of the top coat. I did buy the base coat as well, just because I don't really like mixing different products together, because I don't know how they will react with each other. So this is the purple, this is called Galaxy. So that's top coated. I don't know if you can see, it's just like grainy. Is that the word? Grainy. That top coat. I don't know, it's probably still not the right word, what I'm looking for. This is Frenemy. This was the beautiful pinky colour. Like this one. So then we had Stratosphere. This was my favourite. Blue. Yeah, stunning. Do like that. And this one that I'm not sure of is Aurora Australis. It's nice, but it's not as nice as the others. But hey ho, got it. So we also got obviously the magnets as well, which is your standard magnet. And I got this one, which is like a flowery one, and this one puts straight lines. I will need to have a play around with them, which is what I didn't do it today. They're serious black, so I can do it over black as well. Yeah, and the base coat. And this is the top coat, the gel top coat nail sealer. I don't know what the differences are. I might have to go back on and have a look. So that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed my room tour and this little swatch video, and also meeting those 3 dogs that you hear in the background now and then. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.